الله أكبر
Ooh, the sun is too hot today.
Yeah, the sun is hot most of the year here at Qatar.
Yeah, let's pray Dhuhr at the mosque. By the way, what does the sun mean in Arabic?
Well, it means Shams. Didn't you learn these letters at class?
Hi all. Today we're going to learn 3 letters that share the same articulation point. Sheen, Jim, and Ya. This is how we write it. Sheen, how to pronounce the letters with short vowels. Fath, Kasr, and Dam. Sh, She, Shu. This is how we write sheen at the beginning of the word, like this example. Shukr, which means thanks. And this is how we write sheen at the middle of the word, like this example. Fashal, which means failure. And this is how we write sheen at the end of the word, like this example. Mishmish, which means apricot. Let's see the next letter. Jim. This is how we write it. Jim. How to pronounce the letters with short vowels. Fath, Kasr, and Dam. Ja, Ji, Ju. This is how we write Jim at the beginning of the word, like this example. Jannah, which means heaven. This is how we write Jim at the middle of the word, like this example. Najm, which means star. This is how we write Jim at the end of the word, like this example. Thalj, which means ice. Let's see the next letter. This is how we write it. Ya. How to pronounce the letters with short vowels. Fath, Kasr, and Dam. Ya. Yi. You. This is how we write ya at the beginning of the word, like this example. Yad, which means hand. This is how we write ya at the middle of the word, like this example. Feel, which means elephant. And this is how we write ya at the end of the word, like this example. Qatari, which means a male from Qatar.